Today we're going to be driving this very cool 1957 Ford Custom Ranchero. It looks absolutely awesome here in orange and white. Has a matching orange and plaid interior. We're going to get in and I will tell you all about it. Here we are inside of the 1957 Ford Custom Ranchero, and this is a gorgeous, gorgeous Ranchero. It screams 50s. It is very cool, from the orange dashboard to the orange and plaid seats, the burnt orange carpeting. Everything is metal, is absolutely fantastic, and best of all, it has working factory air conditioning. So we're gonna do a quick cold start, get this one out on the road, warm it up, and we'll tell you all about it. See, and this is just a one-way ticket back to the 50s. This is so cool. This restoration was extremely well done. The previous collector owner had it in their collection at their Montana ranch. They purchased it in 2007 from a gentleman in Council Bluffs, Iowa. Stayed in the previous owner's collection in Montana all of this time before it was most recently brought to Autosport Designs here in Long Island, New York. The paintwork is fantastic. Mechanically, it is excellent. And it is a bit of a hot rod. It's got a 292 Y-block V8 police Interceptor package, 3-speed automatic transmission. It's got great power, and you truly feel like you're in something special. It is such a joy. It's got great utility with the pickup bed in the back. It's something different, certainly something you don't see every day. The colors are just wonderful. The use of metal and chrome. It's got the touch of Art Deco for sure. It's been well serviced, well looked after. We're going to take it through some of our local twisty roads and do a couple of flybys. Got that AC going. What a comfortable ride, cool ride. It's just something you want to throw a couple of bags in and take off for the weekend. If you want to stop off, pick up some flowers, just a carefree, enjoyable car. Turn the key and go. I'm going to do some drive-bys, flybys. Speaking of drive-bys, what would be better than this at a drive-in movie theater? I don't think we have any of those left around here, but if we did, this would be awesome. So now you're going to be able to get to see it from the outside, and I'm sure it looks very, very cool. So see you in a moment. I hope you enjoyed those flybys. I bet it looks really cool from outside. This was such an innovative design for Ford. Offers utility, it's practical, it's useful, and you don't have to be driving around a larger truck to get the same amount of utility. This example has covered roughly 500 miles since restoration. It's been kept as somewhat of a centerpiece in the previous owner's collection, a wonderful family collection, and we're so pleased to pass it along to new ownership. So very fittingly, we're about to hit the farm road. Got a lovely, lovely afternoon, almost evening, getting ready to go home soon. It's got these lovely side windows that offer fantastic cross ventilation. So even if you don't want to use the air conditioner, you can crack open the windows and get some great airflow. And cruising is not a problem for this Ranchero. Very, very comfortable, easy to drive around, and best of all, it does have great brakes to match. So it really is just a wonderful, wonderful turnkey 57 Ranchero. It's something different, it's something unique. It is absolutely gorgeous and here for the taking. So thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up. Feel free to drop a comment down below, and we will see you on the next one.